Alright, just got me another nice trout here, about the same size as one I caught earlier, but I did hook into a nice big one, and I lost him, but this is a nice one right here too. Get him out of here. There we go. There he goes.